Alright, I'm on a service call here. I heard it click. Didn't come on the condenser, so let's find out what's going on. Let's find out. See if it's locked out on the floor. But I don't think I'd hear it come from the unit. Nana. We got a light blinking. 5, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5. Contactors pulled. Yellow flash 5. What does it mean? 5 flash off. Fault. Open circuit. Okay, we'll see what that is. Alright, we got an open circuit. Let's get a meter. Something's open. What could it be? Open low pressure, high pressure. Green is blinking something also here. Oh, pulled contact, that's strange. Voltage. Okay, so let's see. Power before, maybe bad contactor. Half power, 0. What's going on here? 0. Let's check the disconnect. Probably a blown fuse, or I'll have to go to the breaker. That was weird. It's in. On's on top, off's on the bottom. What? That's just strange. How could it be? I mean, that's split, but that should be in. What's going on here? Why is it not? Connectors too. Whoa. I'm seeing something strange here. So, I think I got to put off on top and on upside down. Whoa. Just like, whoa. Did you see that, guys? Did you see that? Look. Off is on top. It's upside down. Somebody did something with this disconnect. I don't know what. But, I mean, as you could see, down here, we have on. Up top, we have off. So, very strange. And now the system's operating. Oh, that's a very interesting thing. Watch out for. I think it's the first time I've seen a disconnect upside down. Till next time, I'm out.